Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today. And that is for some candy that I got from Italy when my mom went there, which is about a month ago now. But she was in Rome, Milan, and Venice. And I'm not sure exactly where she got this candy. I think it was Rome. But here, we'll take a look at it. Here's a package of Limoncello chocolates. The brand is Barati and Milano. Torino 1858. And the packaging is beautiful. You can see the logo and the name is in like a blue foil. And these little rivets here that I guess like seal or close the bag. Some little logos, coat of arms I think. Cremino, that's probably what this is. Limoncello chocolates. Oh, cool, and even the plastic bag has some logos on it. And that's great. Here's the back. Cremino, limoncello. So that's ingredients. Expiration date. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this. So actually I do want to keep at least the top part. I'll keep this just as like a souvenir. Okay, we'll go ahead and open one of these. Wow, it's beautiful. Great presentation. Barati and Milano, Torino 1858. Excuse me. Cremino limoncello. Like a gold foil wrapper. I think the darker color is the chocolate. This might be lemon. Oh yeah, it's very good. Not sure. I'm trying to think of what something that everyone might recognize that this tastes like, but I can't really think of anything. Oh, either way, it's delicious. It's very creamy. It's very thick. It's very rich. Okay, so we're moving on to this next container. It's like a plastic little box. And a seal here. Oh, it's also Barati and Milano. A little gold sticker. You know what this reminds me of? Those, the little bags of Mr. Goodyear and Hershey. And there was whatever ones. The ones the chocolate that has the crackle stuff in it. They're like small like that and they have the same colors. Assuming these are different flavors. Here's one with a brown wrapper, Barati and Milano, 70% cioccolato, extra fondante. Oh, there you go, cafe. Probably coffee. This has a black wrapper, extra fondante amaro. 70%. Here's the back, just some ingredients, some other information. Blue Label, Cioccolato Finissimo al Latte. And a red label, 70% con granella di cacao. So let's see, I'm not going to try all of these right now, but which one? I'm going to try this one, the red one. And okay, it's like square, and it's got like some rib design. You can feel it, like embossed square inside it. There's some bumps, probably something that's in there. Yeah, hard to see, but there's like something like little chunks of chocolate in there. Okay, that was that package. Okay, Noisette Fondante, Novi Cioccolato Passione del 1903, Solo con puro cacao, Cioccolato Fondante Extra con nocciole. Not sure what that is. Is that hazelnut? Here's the back. There you go, hazelnuts. Ingredient: sugar, cacao mass, hazelnuts. It's a nice wrapper. Oh, there you go. You see the hazelnuts in there. Oh, wow, it's very sweet. Yeah, it's dark chocolate with hazelnut, so it's very sweet. At least the hazelnut was, and very rich. It's very good. Okay, and finally, this huge bar here, Spillari Tradizione Italiana del 1836, Zanzibar, Classico Gianduia con nocciole terre. You can see it there. I think this is hazelnut as well. It's more of the box. Ingredients, other flavors. I have Classico, so yeah, you can see there, wrapper says extra, fondente, more information. Wow, look at that. Really went all out. No, it must have melted at some point because it's all messed up and crumbling apart here. It's not good. Well, that's what it should like. This side should, but it's pretty banged up. Yeah, look at that. So there you go. These hazelnuts are way bigger than what was in the other bar. I like this better than the dark chocolate one. This one. Because I like dark chocolate, but this is just more pleasant to eat. It's not so rich. And the hazelnut tastes good, and obviously the hazelnuts are way bigger. But anyway, guys, that was my unboxing of some candy and chocolate my mom got from Italy on a recent trip. There is a link in the description if you want to see some chocolate, or at least one chocolate bar my mom got me from her trip to Paris a while back. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next one.